Students, how are you all doing? So, welcome to the YouTube channel of ODA Classes. And today we are going to learn about land and sea breeze, right? But first, let me introduce the ODA app very quickly to all of you. What are this? So, the ODA app is available on the Play Store as well. What do you have to do? You have to go to the Play Store and download the most innovative EdTech award. We have even got the award. So, what are you waiting? Come explore the amazing features we have in the ODA app. Now, kids, when I say the amazing features, so what are those amazing features? So here come, we are starting with your amazing course for the 1 week for you, and that is starting from upcoming week Monday. From Monday, we are starting with your course, and that's a complete 1 week course. And I say complete 1 week course. So what are the things which we are going to provide you? So it's very easy. I'm going to give you 3 maths and 3 science sessions. When I say 3 mathematics, that will include your Vedic maths and your new Olympiad tricks. And when I say science session, your new mind maps will be included in that. So that will how you will learn it very quickly in it, right? So with all these things, I'm going to provide you with the help of personal teacher. Now, who is personal teacher? So in ODA classes, we have dual teachers. One is your master teachers who teaches you, and one is your personal teacher. When I talk about personal teacher, they are the mentor teachers we provide you. There's the special teachers who personally emphasize on your studies and get the best results out of you, right? So we give you personal teacher support as well in the ODA classes. And I'm going to give you homework on the app. I'm going to give you homework on the app itself. So you don't have to go anywhere on the application. You study, you do the homework, and there's one more thing. What's that? That you're going to give the test also. And your test can be objective and subjective as well. So when I say study on the app, homework on the app, test on the app, there's one more thing. And that's your books, right? Your soft copy, your PDF copy will be available on the app itself. So on one single app, you're getting amazing thing. What are those? Your classes, your homework, your test, and your books. So don't wait much time. Quickly book your seat. Now you must be thinking how to book. So it's very, very easy. In the description, when you open the description box, there's a blue color link. You all can see a blue color link? So quickly click on that link, quickly click on that, and then you just have to complete the payment of 49 rupees. Only 49 rupees in my class, otherwise it might increase also, right? So don't waste much time, quickly book your seat. Okay, so now start the topic, but let me introduce myself quickly. So students, my name is Taruni. I've done my MSc Biotechnology and my BA, and for you all, I'm the maths teacher for science subject. So I've taught many students in past years, and I've taught them how to do this topic very nicely and understand it step by step. So today, what are we going to learn? Today we are going to learn about sea breeze and land breeze. When I talk about sea breeze and land breeze, I know many of you are confused that what are the sea breeze and what is land breeze, right? I'm going to tell you a very simple trick to learn it very nicely. But before learning sea breeze and land breeze, remember one thing very importantly. Now, what's that one thing? That point to remember is what is vaporization and what is condensation. Now, when I talk about vaporization or condensation, listen to me very carefully. Whenever water heats up, it goes up in the air. You all can see it's getting heated up, so it's going up in the air. And when I talk about condensation, right, you all have studied this in the water cycle. Whenever it's cool in the air, whenever it's cool in the cloud, it rains like this. It rains like this. So when the temperature is high in the water, it goes up. When it's cool down, it falls down. So this is your vaporization and this is your condensation. Before starting sea breeze and land breeze, remember these two things very nicely. Vaporization means your water temperature is going up, so your water vapor going up, right? Now, temperature going down, water coming down. This is how you learn these two important things before going to the sea breeze and land breeze. Now, let's talk about the first one, that is your sea breeze. Now, listen to me very nicely. Your word sea is starting, right? So, in sea breeze, the vapors or the air from water goes from the seaside. Now, how the complete cycle happens, I'll let you know each and everything. In sea breeze, what happens? It happens during the daytime. First thing, remember it happens during the daytime. Why in the daytime, kids? Because when sunlight shines, so what happens? Your land heats up much faster. Your land heats up much faster as compared to your water. As compared to your big water bodies, your land gets heats up much quicker than the large ocean does. Right. Now the land is already hot because the sunlight is getting there and water is in a normal temperature. This causes the air above the land to heat up because the land is already heated up. As I told you, the temperature will rise. So what will happen? The vapor will also rise. Similarly, as I said, this causes the air above the land to heat up and rise, right? So now the land, which is the air, is there on the land, it gets up and it raises the temperature. Now, what's happened next? The cool air from the water moves towards the land. Now, what is happening? The cool water is already cool. The water is in a cool temperature, right? So, this air comes to the land. This air comes to the land. So, this is how your sea breeze happens. This is how your sea breeze happen. It's very easy. In daytime, your land is very hot. Your land is very hot, right? So in what happened? Your land air is very hot, and your normal temperature is there where? In sea. In the water bodies, it's very normal temperature. Now sea breeze is a blowing breeze from sea towards the land. See, your land is very normal temperature. It's going to the land side. So this is called your sea breeze. So kids, when we say sea breeze, the air is coming from sea to land. Okay, and it is happening in the daytime. You can see a complete cycle over here. It's starting from where? It goes up, the warm air, and the sea's cooler air comes over here. So this is your called as sea breeze. This is called as sea breeze. Now, ma'am, sea breeze is done. Now, what is land breeze? I'll quickly tell you what is land breeze. Now, when I talk about land breeze, learn this thing very nicely that sea breeze happens in the daytime and your land breeze happens in the night time. Especially it happens in the night time only. Why night time? Let me tell you very quickly that during the night time the land cools down quickly and sea water remains hot. Now why it is? As I told you in the sea breeze, when sun shines, the temperature of a land changes very quickly. But when it comes to the temperature of a water, it changes slowly and slowly. Now the day sunset has happened, it's night time. During the night, land has cooled down again. But your sea water remains hot. Your sea water remains hot. So it's red, right? It's in hot way. So your red things is going up. Your red things is going up. Now when I say this, that means the heat above the air over the sea expands over it, right? Sea is very hot. Sea is very hot. It's going up. Okay, just give me a minute. Sea is very hot. It's going, all the vapors is going up, right? So when I say all the vapors are going up, now what will happen next? So in land breeze, you all have seen that your land is very normal temperature. It's cooled down very quickly. Now the vapor has already gone up from sea. Now the next thing happened, the cool air from the land. The cool air from the land. When I say land, because your land was already cool in the night time. So now the cool air from the land occupies the space left. The cool air which is already over the sea, that calls a land breeze. That calls a land breeze. Here is the full cycle for you, and remember this thing very nicely that your land breeze occurs in the night time only. It occurs in the night time only. Why? Because your land is cooler and your water is hotter because it takes time to change the temperature of our water. So a land breeze starts from land. That means your the cooler air moves from the land, and in sea breeze, the cooler air moves from the sea. So that's what the difference between sea breeze and land breeze. So always remember, sea breeze happens in the daytime and land breeze happens in the night time, right? Now, this is how you can learn amazing things with us. With learning vaporization and condensation, you have completed land breeze and sea breeze very quickly. So what do you have to do? You just have to download the ODA app very quickly right now from your Play Store and get registered with us in the bridge course. Now what the bridge course is, I already told you in detail that it's a 1 week program and 3 maths and 3 science sessions, right? Right now, in just 10 minutes, you all have learned sea breeze and land breeze very quickly, with learning only 2 points, vaporization and condensation. Now, in this 1 week program, you're going to learn amazing things. Right now, only one teacher is available When you get dual teacher module, it's going to be really amazing for you kids, right? And you're going to get homework on the app, test on the app, and books also. So all the things on the app itself, classes on the app, homework on the app, test on the app, and books also available on the app itself, right? Soft copy are available. So then what are you waiting? Already 25 students have come along with us in this program. You just have to open a description box, click on that blue color link very quickly. Click on that and you're getting this course in just 49 rupees. Original price is 500 rupees. Don't miss the opportunity to get it in 50 rupees only. Not even 50. I'm so sorry. It's only 49. So enroll yourself right now. And you know what, kids? I'm going to provide you something very amazing. What's that? So on ODA app, we have the amazing reward feature. Now, what is the reward feature, ma'am? So it's very easy. I'll let you know everything. We are going to give you ODA coins, right? Now, what is ODA coins? If you perform nicely in the classes and if you're disciplined in the class, you're going to get ODA coins. Now, what is the use of ODA coins? So we have a ODA mall with us. Now, what are the use things we have? So we have smart water bottles, smart band, smart soundbar, smart mobile phone. All these smart things are available. You can purchase only and only with ODA coins, right? So download the app to win the ODA coins as well. And if you have liked this video, then what do you have to do? You have to like and share very quickly and subscribe to the ODA classes so that you can learn many new things in just few minutes. Okay? So see you on the bridge course. Don't forget to enroll. Bye bye.